Hello guys, good morning. It's Joshua from Inspired Fingers and I believe you're doing great. So this morning I want to share a tip with you. Hopefully you learn something from it. So most of the times I do hear people playing this and I do play it as well. You know, when you're ending your song, you just want to go your regular 2, 5 and end at your 1. That sounds good, but sometimes you might want to extend it a little bit by going from the 3 to the 6 to the 2 to the 5. Relax on the 5 a bit. Then before you head back to your 1. Yep, that's it. So I don't know if you got the point, but let me illustrate this using the key of D major. And we use the song Jesus Must Be Honored. Jesus must be honored, must be honored, must be honored. Alright, so let's go. Yep, so you saw what I did. I said at the end of the song I now did 3, 6, that's the 2, then okay, you want to make sure it hits that very well. So that's the 5, then and I did quarters with my arpeggio. So that's it. Thank you so much, and I'll show you more tips later. Bye.